Okay, let's do the following now. Let's take that video that we've just created at YouTube and let's put it into your landing page. Let's go and do that right now. Let me talk you through the process. So let's go firstly back to YouTube. Right, and here's the last page that we were at YouTube, and click on your account name in the top right hand corner, and clicking on that, one of the options that will appear will be My Videos. Click on My Videos. All your videos will appear. If you just created an account, of course there will only be one, and this video we just created will be at the top of the list. Here it is. Now click on this video or click on the link, it doesn't matter, it will take you to the same page. We're actually looking kind of at the main page at YouTube where your video now resides. Let me just pause it. Okay. An unfortunate pause there, Chris. Now, this is what we are after. Down here, below the video, is a link that says Embed, or a button rather that says Embed. I want you to click on this. Clicking on this will expand an area below where there's loads of what looks like terribly complicated computer code here. Please don't be put off at all if you've never copied any code. There's nothing to worry about. All this here, this bit that's highlighted, is simply the computer language of this video. That's it. It's the same video that you're seeing, but in computer code. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to right click on my mouse and I'm going to select copy. And I'm actually going to grab a blank piece of, or blank notepad, or if you're using a Mac, it's called Text Edit, and I'm going to paste that code. So I've got it handy. So here is all the code that I've just copied from YouTube. Okay, we're going to need that again in a second. So that's it for YouTube. We can now finish with YouTube. Let's go back to whatever it is that we're using to create our website with. So here I am. Here's my landing page that I'm working on. Now what I want to do is add this video. So I'm going to show you a little trick here. Wherever you want the video to be, put your cursor somewhere where you want it to be, and I'm going to center align it. So I'm going to click center up here. And I'm going to type loads of X's. This is just like a little Chris Farrell trick. So all these X's are the position of where I want this video to be. Now, if you're using WordPress, you do a similar thing. I'm using an HTML editor. You're going to look at the computer code for this page. Now, using an HTML editor, it's down here, the bottom left-hand corner. Again, don't be put off if you've never done this before. I'm going to talk you through this slowly. I'm about to click on this link here that says Source, and we're about to see the computer code for this page. So let me click on Source, and again, don't worry if this is going to make absolute no sense to you when you see this. If it's the first time, it probably won't. Let me click on Source, and look, here is our website in computer language. And I'm looking for all those X's. Here they are. There are the X's. So that's where I want to copy my computer code that I grabbed from YouTube. So here it is. I'm just going to make sure it's all highlighted. I'm going to select all. I'm copying it. I'm now going to highlight over all of these X's in my landing page, and I'm going to paste that code that we just copied from YouTube. Let me do it now. Boom. There we go. There's lots of it, so it's kind of moved the page a bit. That's fine. So I've now pasted in the code that we got from YouTube. Let me save this at the top here. By the way, what I'm doing now, I do go through in more detail in my Create Your First Website by 3:45 this afternoon video course. I'm doing it relatively quickly right now. But look, we've now got a video on our landing page. And let me just click a button so we can actually see this video. Look at this. Isn't this beginning to look good? So I've now got a video that will play. There we go, it's playing. And it's on my landing page. And it's been hosted by YouTube, so we don't need to worry about uploading the video at all. And doesn't this landing page suddenly really now begin to pop big time? It's really beginning to kind of spring to life. Great header, nice headline, nice copy, powerful video, good-looking ebook cover, some benefits, and an opt-in form. This is all you need to start creating your web business. This is exactly what I did. Now let me just go back to YouTube for a second. You can, when you grab your code here, choose the size of the video. So you can change the size, and you can change the borders as well. One thing to make sure, I forgot to mention this, but by default this sometimes is selected. Make sure included related videos is not checked. Now it isn't here. That's good, because what that means is at the end of the video, what YouTube sometimes do is show related videos, and the last thing you want is somebody at your landing page watching this video, your video ends, and then on the screen they see related videos. You want to keep people to your landing page. You don't want to give them any option to go anywhere else. Wow! We've created a video and we've got it onto our web page. So what do I do now? Well, quite simply, go to YouTube, create an account if you don't already have one. It's totally free, and then have a go at creating your first video. It's a real exciting and creative thing to do, particularly if you've never done this before, and it really isn't all that difficult. It's just allowing yourself to think as a marketer, which for many, I appreciate, may be a new way of thinking. Once you start thinking like this, the world really is your oyster. And enjoy this, have fun, smile. You can't break it, you can't do anything wrong. People buy into people, and putting a video on your webpage is a very quick way to allow people to emotionally connect with you. Okay, I think we should start looking at affiliate products, don't you? I think so. Let's begin that process in the next video. See you there in a sec.